Hey everyone, myself Bhavya Goyal, a student at IIT Gandhinagar. I welcome you at CodeChef and let's have a look at this question. So yeah, today's question is Chef Bakes Cake. In this question, Chef has baked N cakes already and each of the cake weighs X kilograms and now he needs to deliver all of those cakes. He has many vehicles with him which he'll be using to transport the cakes. Each vehicle can carry at most Y kilograms of cake and it is always guaranteed that y is always greater than or equal to x. That is, the amount of weight a particular truck can carry is always more than the weight of the cake we have. So each vehicle can always carry at least one cake. Now we need to tell that how many vehicles will chef need to transport all the cakes. Now in the input will be given three integers in a single line separated by space, representing the n, x, and y. In the output format we need to print in a single new line the minimum number of vehicles chef will need. In the constraints we are given that n will always be in between 1 and 10 and x and y will also be in between 1 and 10. Now let's see the first sample input. So we are given that there are total 6 number of cakes where each cake weighs 4 kilograms and there are total and a particular truck can carry a maximum of 6 kgs of weight. Now how many maximum number of cakes can a single truck carry? It would be just one cake, right? Because two cakes would need 8 kilograms and a truck cannot carry 8 kilograms, right? So a particular truck can only carry at max one cake. So, and how many vehicles will we need? We'll need six vehicles, right? Because one truck can carry one cake. So we'll need six trucks to carry six cakes, right? Similarly, you can just try out the sample input too, and let's see the solution once. So we are given that y is the weight that a particular truck can carry, and x is the weight of a particular cake. Now, what are the number of cakes a truck can carry? And we'll call it Z. So what is it? It's going to be y upon x, right? It will be the floor of y upon x, right? Why? Because if it is, let's say, 5.6 cakes, we cannot carry zero point 0.6 cake anywhere, right? So we can only carry 5 cakes at max. And now, what are the number of trucks required? So it would be the seal of n upon Z. Why? Because let's say we need 5.5 trucks, right? We cannot get half truck and ask it to carry, right? So we'll need to take six number of cakes, six number of trucks, right? So this is pretty much the whole solution. We need to we need to first of all calculate this z, which is floor of y upon s. And then this number of trucks required, which is our answer is nothing but the seal of n upon c. So now let's see the solution in C++ or Python first. So yeah, we have imported the maths library to calculate the seal function. We are taking an input of n, x, and y using this function. So what are we doing over here? We are first of all taking the input of the whole line as a string and we're splitting it with respect to spaces. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna create a list of strings and we're gonna use this map of int function which will convert that list of strings into a list of integer and map them inside n, x, and y. Now what are the number of cakes the truck can carry? It is y floor division x. So this double slashes to floor division. And to calculate our answer, we'll take the seal with this thing and we'll just simply print it. So that's it for for the solution in Python. Now let's see the solution in C++. So yeah, this is the solution in C++. We begin by taking an input of n, x, and y. We calculate the number of cakes a single truck can carry, which is nothing but y upon x. And in the end, we calculate the seal of n upon the number of cakes a truck can carry. Now we need to multiply it with 1.0 so that this n gets converted into a float. And all of this thing is being done in float and then using seal, you are just taking the seal. Because if you're not multiplying, what will happen is it will do the integer division, which is the floor division, and we'll be getting a wrong answer. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Thanks. Bye bye.